In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Todoist tasks seamlessly integrated into Notion pages. This process will help you streamline your workflow, making it more efficient to manage your tasks across these two popular productivity apps. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Todoist account. Once you're there, open up the project that contains the tasks you want to bring into Notion. Take a moment to ensure this is the project you need, as this is a crucial step in the integration process. Now, when you have your project open in Todoist, look towards the right side of your screen where you'll see three little dots. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu offering you several options. Here, select the option that says Export CSV. This step will generate a CSV file, which is essentially a spreadsheet containing all the details of your tasks in that project. Now, with your CSV file ready, go ahead and complete the export by saving this file to a location on your device where you can easily find it later. Having successfully exported your tasks, it's time to switch gears and head over to Notion. Open the page where you want these tasks to appear. If it helps, picture Notion as your strategic headquarters, a place where you can design the layout that best suits your workflow. Once you're on the desired page, similar to Todoist, head over to the upper right corner of your Notion page and click on the three dots. Another menu will pop up, and from there, you'll want to select Import. This action sets the stage for bringing in your task's data. The next prompt will ask you to choose a file. This is where you grab that trusty CSV file you exported from Todoist earlier. Click on Choose File, and navigate to wherever you saved your exported tasks. Once you find the right CSV file, click on it to select it. After selecting, you'll notice another option that says AMP CSV Header. This option helps Notion recognize the headings in your file, ensuring that the imported data aligns correctly. Finally, hit the Import CSV button to complete the process. Give Notion a moment to do its magic. And just like that, you'll have your Todoist tasks beautifully organized within your Notion page. Integrating these two platforms allows you to centralize your projects in a way that's both powerful and convenient. Thanks for following along, and I hope this enhances your